Welcome to another lesson of Overworked Linux Admin. I am your host, Zach, and today we are going to be talking about process management. So diving right in, we're going to be looking at using the kill command and the nice command. If you remember from our last lesson, we were using PSAFX to look at the parent-child relationships um, in a tree view, and we were using PSAUX to look at all the processes and their resources, and we were using top for a very similar type thing. So what we're going to do here is we are going to learn a little bit about kill. Now kill is super useful. You can send processes different signals to those processes. However, you're only going to use three of them at any given time. You're going to use sighup, sigkill, and sigterm. You can utilize their name or their signal number, which I'll show you in a bit. So SIGUP, which is signal 1, tells the process to quote unquote hang up and reread its configuration file. This is super useful if you just wanted to reload its configuration file. Maybe there's an error in there and you had to make a change, or it just didn't read it properly and you needed to reread it again. Anyways, and then there's sigterm, which is signal 15. What that does is it gracefully allows the process to shut down. So the process will attempt to write and save to their open files. It will release their used system resources, etc. Sigkill, which is signal 9, is more brutal. It doesn't allow for the process to shut down gracefully. It just terminates it like from the get-go. So a little example here, we have, let's see, psaux grep http. We have a number of Apache services running right now. Actually, it looks like, okay, let's actually service httpd restart. Let's restart it. Oh yeah, okay. So I killed this earlier, the parent. So let's got to fix that later. Anyways, this we'll just do for examples. psaux grep httpd. So we have a number of processes that we want to kill. Obviously, it's not working now. So what we can do is we can do let's see, kill -9, and we can pick any one of these. Let's just do 2769. Kill that, and then when we go back, you can see that it's gone. That we killed it. So you could do also kill sig kill, and let's just pick the next lucky guy here. Do this. So this gets a little tedious after a while. If you really wanted to, you could do kill all minus. You can either do sig kill or -9. I prefer -9 because it's less to type. You can do it by process name, and if we go back, there's nothing left. We just killed all the processes. So service http restart. Hopefully that'll work. Yep. Okay. So if you do psafx and you grep for http, you can see the parent-child processes going on here. So this right here is a child of my bash session, which you don't see because I'm only grepping for http. Then you see the root, the parent process here, and all the childs down here. Okay, anyways, I digress. So you can also in top kill processes here. So you can do go into top, you hit K, and then you give it a process ID. In this case, let's kill our syslog right here. Process ID is 1737. It's probably the only one I can kill here that won't destroy things. Okay, so 1737. We kill it. It'll tell you what signal to kill it with. Let's just do 15. And as you can see, it is gone. And if we quit out of here and we do ps aux grep sys, it's no longer running. So we do service rsyslog d restart. Nope. Restart, and start it up again. So if we go back into top, you can see it's starting. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Well, it's not there. But if we do ps aux grep sys, you can see that it started here again. Okay, so that's managing processes with kill. Let's talk a little bit about nice. Now, nice is pretty nice for for the most part. It allows you to readjust a process and in terms of using system resources. Let's see here. For example, if you wanted to readjust, let's see. Let's start back. By default, all processes start with the same priority. If a process needs more time, you can change that priority with the nice command. In general, nice isn't used very often, as Linux has a good scheduler that can typically handle and prioritize these jobs very well. However, in some cases, it can be used to give jobs priority over others. Like you have a large rsync job that kicks off every day at 3 a.m. You want to give it more resources than, let's say, your VI text header. Anyways, so a process can be adjusted from -20, which is the most favorable, to 19, least favorable. As I said, all processes start with the same default, and that default is 0. So every process will have a quote-unquote niceness of 0. So we're in here. Let's do something here. ddif, so that's in file dev 0 of dev null. And you don't really need to know what I'm doing here so much as I'm showing you what to do. Okay, so we just ran a command called dd and we put it into the background. So we do, if you remember from your second lesson, jobs. Oh, look, there's a running job. So we do let's see, fg1, and there it is again. If we want to put it in the background, then we do control Z. Oh, no, that's not control Z. That's bg1. There we go. There we go. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to change. Let's just ps aux grep dd. So you can see here it's running here, and we want to change the niceness. So we go to top. See, we see the nice level here of everything, and we want to change it. See, where is dd? Okay, so we have the dd here, and we want to change the niceness of dd. So let's get out of here, and let's just do let's see, nice dash, and let's make it -10, and let's see, give it the PID, and it's 3098. Oh, that didn't work. That's alright. I apologize. It's really nice. 3098. Maybe not. Okay. That would help if I actually put in the the correct command. All right, so we go into top, and then we look. As you remember before, it used to be 0. It was the default. Now it's -10. So you can also do a renice from the top interface. If you hit R, it'll ask you the PID to renice, and you give it 3098, the PID you want to renice. It'll ask you for the value. Let's just do -20. And as you can see here, it's got the nice value is now at negative 20. So, okay. So we're able to readjust the nice process. Now let's just say it's eating up too much resources. Well, 96% CPU. Wow, that's definitely pegging my server. So let's go ahead and kill it. If you remember, you can hit K and give it the process ID to kill. Hit kill. Let's do it harshly, and quit. You quit with Q, and you do ps aux grep dd. As you can see, it's gone. There's no more dd here. Anyways, and that's managing that's managing processes with kill and nice. I will see you next lesson.